व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल. दिस इज Ishita with two E's, and आज की वीडियो is going to be trying out amazing new products that I bought from Amazon's wardrobe refresh sale, which is starting from 18th of December. You can get up to 50 to 80% off on your favorite brands, and all the products that I'll be sharing about in this video, जिससे मैंने look achieve किया, will be available at a better deal. I'm going to mention all the good prices on the screen here. As you can see, I've done a very beautiful lilac and purple look. If you can see, my lips look more plump. It's because I've used a lip plumper as well. I have so many exciting new amazing finds to share with you guys कि मुझसे रहा नहीं जा रहा. So without wasting any more time, let's just start with the video. So मैंने अपना face already prep कर लिया है with a moisturizer. I have used the Earth Rhythm का Phyto Ceramide moisturizer. If you are an oily skin person जिसको फिर भी थोड़ा moisturization चाहिए without the chip, this would be great. It has all the 5 essential ceramides, and right now Earth Rhythm is at 25% off. इसका texture is really nice. बहुत प्यार से spread होता है and gets absorbed very quickly as well. Like look at it. कोई greasiness नहीं है. I wouldn't suggest this dry skin people के लिए, especially for winters. But for oily people, this would be great. पहले मैं दिखा देती हूँ how many items I have right here. Also, I want to talk about this little lip balm. This is from the brand Voodoo. This is a lip plumping lip balm. So इसके इस साइड पे जो balm है, I think it has peppermint or something. So this literally plumps your lips. ऐसे हल्का सा इसका tingly feeling होता है, and if you just let it be, you will see a difference in your lips. So मैं कभी-कभी रात में से लगा के सो जाती हूँ, and I wake up with plump lips. I also have another dupe for Too Faced's का lip injection lip gloss. I have a dupe for it जो मैं आगे बताऊंगी. And इसके पीछे एक pink shade है, so if you want some color in your lip balm, you can use this one as well. This is also moisturizing, but I prefer the peppermint side. Actually मैंने इसके बारे में एक अल्फिया की रील में देखा था, and I was just so intrigued. I wanted to try it, and it actually works. Guys, I can see a difference. And इसका tingly feeling is not that much. It's like a fun tingly feeling. Now I'm gonna prime my face. I hope it works. This is Swiss Beauty का Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base, and I went for the shade Golden Pink. इस बार मैंने Illuminator लिया है, not a proper primer. I really hope it works out for my skin. Oh, I like the packaging. Ooh, इसका base तो proper moisturizer जैसा ही है. Oh my god, this is how it illuminates. Looks good यार, I like it. I think this can be a moisturizing primer. ये वो silicone primer जैसा नहीं है, but I think it will give me a very dewy base. I like it. Yeah, I do see the glow. Okay, so I can see like light pink color के sheen on my face. If you want थोड़ा सा shine in your base, then you can go for it. This retails for $249, and I think अभी ये 200 के around मिल सकता है. तो 200 के लिए I will not complain. It gives a good sheen to my face. Now I have a very exciting product. I found a foundation for just 100 rupees. Yes, it's from Elle. Surprisingly, shade मुझे लग रहा है सही हो सकता है for me. And this is the Lasting Glow foundation. This literally is for just 100 rupees. I couldn't believe pehle though, but yeah, I'm very excited. And I also have a brush this time. I always get asked about makeup brushes, so मैं इस बार एक buffer brush try कर रही हूँ from Amazon's own brand. Okay, so first impression, it's not as dense. It's not gonna work. Brush की quality looks fine, but buffer brushes should be very very dense. Like this is not a buffer brush, but look at the difference. आपका फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड नहीं हो पाएगा वरना. तो मैं अपने पुराने ब्रशेस ही यूज करने वाली हूँ so that I get the feel right. एक not so good ब्रश के साथ एक नया फाउंडेशन यूज करूँगी तो मैं भी रिव्यू नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So yeah. So I got the shade Pearl. इसमें 4 shades थे. I felt like Pearl would suit me. Of course, yeah, 100 rupees में ज़्यादा expect नहीं कर सकते pump and all के लिए. This will be a little messy. First impression, it's not as runny as I expected it to be. Like it's thick. It's nice. I think this might work well. Dude, it's like halka sa light for my shade. It's like a very sheer foundation. Like मुझे बहुत कम tint दिख रहा है अपने face पे. If you're a girl जिसको college के लिए बहुत ही simple सा कुछ चाहिए, I just realized मैंने अपने बाल नहीं बांधे हैं. This is like a BB cream. Yeah. At think 100 rupees की BB cream is not at all bad. Yay! Good job, Elle. I approve of this. So for concealers, I have two products. Pehla is from this Inside. If you've seen the first video that I did from Amazon, like 200 below ka makeup products, I was very disappointed with Inside के base products. But this sort of intrigued me. I got it because मुझे इसमें एक orange corrector भी मिल रहा है. Not that I use correctors, but it's a good deal. करेक्टर भी है, कंसीलर शेड्स भी है, एंड आई गेट समथिंग फॉर कॉन्टोरिंग एज वेल. प्लान ये था कि मैं कॉन्टोर भी इसी से कर लूंगी, एंड दिस वाज वेरी वेरी चीप. ओके, इट्स क्रीमी एंड ये थोड़ा लाइट है. आई थिंक आई यूज माई कंसीलर ब्रश. विल नॉट लाई, ये थोड़ा लाइट है मेरे लिए. इट हैज ब्राइटनड माई अंडर आई बहुत ज्यादा बिकॉज इट इज अ लाइटर शेड, बट इट वर्क्स. That is important. It works, guys. It works. It does a decent job. बहुत ज़्यादा coverage तो नहीं है, but I can use it to highlight my under eyes. I think इस वाले में ना पहले मुझे थोड़ा orange corrector भी use करना चाहिए. Now let's go ahead with the concealer. ओके, सो द थिंग इज जिसका डार्क शेड है कंसीलर का वो मेरे लिए बहुत डार्क है, और जो लाइट है वो बहुत लाइट है, एंड आई कांट मिक्स देम. सो इवन दो आई लाइक द कंसिस्टेंसी एंड द कवरेज दैट इट्स गिविंग मी, द शेड इज अ लिटिल ऑफ. सो ऑलराइट, आई एम डन. आई नो बहुत ब्राइट लग रही है मेरी अंडर आइज, बट आई अप्रूव ऑफ दिस. दिस वॉज वेरी वेरी चीप. Price wise, this is amazing. It's just the shade range is a little restrictive. Moving ahead to the setting powder, I got something from Swiss Beauty. I think इस बार हम Swiss Beauty से काफी कुछ try कर रहे हैं. This is the primer and mattifying setting powder. It's a translucent one. This is how it looks. मैंने काफी लोगों को इसे use करते हुए देखा है. Oh, it comes with a tiny little buff as well. I think I'll use this for today. Okay, I don't know मैं इसको खोलूँ कैसे. I also have another compact from Maybelline. Maybelline is at amazing deals in the wardrobe refresh sales. So अगर आपको कोई Maybelline की products चाहिए, go for them. Okay, this is how it looks. Texture तो काफी fine लग रहा है. Let's see how it goes. इससे कोई weird सी smell भी नहीं है. एक चीज है जो concealer था वो मेरे इस buff पे आ चुका है. So that's not a good sign. I don't know how to show you, but मेरे पूरे room में ऐसे powder उड़ रहा है ना, क्योंकि मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा ट्रांसफर करने की कोशिश करी. इट्स वेरी वेरी फाइन, इट्स वे टू फाइन. इट डज अ डिसेंट जॉब, बट ये थोड़ा सा ना वाइट कास्ट भी छोड़ रहा है मेरे फेस पे. आई एम नॉट अ ह्यूज फैन. आई थिंक यू कैन यूज इट फॉर बेकिंग एंड स्टफ बिफोर गोइंग फॉर आई शैडोज, बट आई स्टिल प्रेफर माई फिट मी लूज फाउंडेशन ओवर दिस. This will mattify your base, and this is just for 200 rupees. So I am not complaining. Okay, next let's go ahead with contouring. उसके लिए we have to use the Inside का ही palette. I'm gonna go ahead with this shade. I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा dark हो सकता है. Let's see how it goes. If you can see, I've made a line यहाँ पे, and I'm just gonna blend it with my contour brush. Okay, blend भी हो रहा है. Oh, it's nice, dude. Okay, I can use it as a contour, definitely. Cream contour मुझे समझ नहीं आता जल्दी. I think I'm doing a terrible job. I think nose पे मैं उंगली से ही करने वाली हूँ because, yeah. And I've ruined it. बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लिया. And it has done a good job. थोड़ा सा ही brown tone off लग रहा है मेरे face पे. I think I'll use the concealer on the sides थोड़ा and blend it all together. You need a nice dense brush to work with cream contour. Just remember that. Okay, I like how my contour looks now. And now for blush, I have a very exciting product. ये मैंने इतने टाइम से रखा हुआ था अपने wish list में, and I finally bought it. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the shade Mellow Wine. I've seen so many people rave about it. I knew it will be a nice shade. It's just मेरे पास already blushes रहते थे तो मैं जल्दी कुछ खरीदती नहीं थी. It's a beautiful mauve shade. Let me. It is beautiful. It is. आई थिंक ये मैं उस बफर ब्रश के साथ ट्राई कर सकती हूँ. या इट्स नाइस. By the way, this brush is not good. Don't buy it. बिल्कुल भी dense नहीं है. But I like this blush. मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा लिया है. मैं बात करते करते भूल गई थी. बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. But hey, it's a very good blush. I really like this color. It's beautiful. Before I forget, I have to do my brows as well. And उसके लिए I have this smudge free eyebrow pencil from Inside. I was very impressed with this product. ये सिर्फ 115 rupees का है. And look at the packaging. You get a spoolie, like a pencil like this here. And दूसरी साइड a spoolie as well. मैं इसी सेम चीज के लिए 400 रुपये पे करती हूँ. और यहाँ मुझे 100 रुपये में मिल रहा है. Will not lie, थोड़ा सा flimsy है, but it's okay. The color is really nice. It's like a dark brown. I think मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा भर दिया है ना एक्साइटमेंट में. Oh my god. Okay, so ये blend बहुत ही आसानी से होती है. ये फैल भी जाती है. So be careful when you use this. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the concealer आसपास थोड़ा to cover the mess that I've made. Now let's move ahead to the eyes. So I have two very exciting products for this video. पहला is from Mars. हमने ऐसे पैलेट्स Swiss Beauty की भी ट्राई करी है, SFR Cosmetics की भी ट्राई करी है. This time I have Mars. So this is their Purse eyeshadow. Looks good. I like the packaging. Ooh, look at the colors. I love the lavenders. यहाँ थोड़े brown भी मिल रहा है to make a smoky eye. And you get a pink as well. Let me quickly swatch things for you. Purples are not that pigmented. काफी excited थी मैं, but it's decent only. Pink is so pigmented. यही है ना? You can clearly see a difference between the pink and lavender. एक corally सा भी shade है. This is also very pigmented. Yes. And इसके अलावा भी I have a very exciting eye product. It's the eyeshadow. It's the Prom Ready eyeshadow pencil. I got it in 2 shades. ये मैंने एक YouTube video पे देखा था. I think Anakshi, she also has a YouTube channel. She was trying these on her video, in one of her videos. I love her channel by the way. She's somebody मैंने बहुत recently उन्हें discover किया है. One is a slightly yellow shade. ये निकल क्यों नहीं रहा? Oh, it's so tiny. And मुझे लगा मैं कोई crayon use करी. Let's just quickly see if it's pigmented. Because it's yellow. Dude, it is pigmented. 8. Okay, this is such a beautiful lavender shade. Please be pigmented. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh my god. मेरी ना eyeshadow capabilities बहुत ही कम है. I don't know how I'm going to use this, but I'll try my level best. It comes with a nice lid. It's literally like a crayon. Since हमारे पास 2 palettes है, हमेशा की तरह I will do one eyeshadow look on this eye. I think let's go ahead with both the lilacs पहले. मैंने palette भी सिर्फ purple color के लिए उठाया था, तो I want to see if it shows up. Okay, हल्का सा it showed up. Okay, you will have to pack a lot of it on your eyes to show up, but it is showing up. I'm not disappointed. I am excited. I think ये मेरे हाथ पे उतना शो नहीं कर रहा था जितना मेरे eyes पे show up कर रहा है. So any of you who's into makeup needs a purple shade, I think you can go ahead with this one. It's nice. I think I'm going to use the silver wala shade. Okay, it's falling. Okay, it looks good, right? I think for my lower lashes, I'm gonna just take the purple. Silver wala color thoda fail gaya mere under eyes pe. I think it's visible, but I like how it looks on my eyes. I'm impressed with this one. Now let's try this one on my eyes. I don't know मैं दोनों को कैसे use करूँगी. Okay, this is actually showing up on the eyes. Wow. This is literally like painting on your eyelids. It's so creamy and it just glides on your eyes. I like it. I hope you can see the yellow. बहुत ही weird combination है, I know, but hey, I'm just here to show you a new product. It's so good. मुझे थोड़ा सीखना पड़ेगा how to make use of these two, but it's really great. By the way, this comes in a lot of colors. You can see sage green जैसा color भी है, and they all retail for 180 rupees. I think which is a steal deal because the pigmentation is beautiful. So for mascara, I have a very new mascara from Maybelline. It's their false lashes. इसकी packaging change हो गई or something. By the way, this also has a purple shade. I think we are on theme बिल्कुल with purple. I loved the wand. The volume that it gives is beautiful. Just look at it. ये एक stroke है. And just look at my lashes. It has done such a good job. You know, इससे काफी volume आती है, but at the same time it gets removed easily. I think I'll try to use this as a highlighter. I am not sure. I don't think so it's gonna work. Okay, it does a good job. ठीक है यार. Yay. Okay, Swiss Beauty Illuminator. I like you. I like you. Like, look at this glue. Yay. So lips के लिए this time I have something from Lakme. It's their Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's a beautiful peachy सा nude. It's the shade nude matte. मैंने इसकी ये वाली रेंज ट्राई नहीं करी. I started liking Lakme as a makeup brand and skincare brand थोड़ा सा because I've tried a few of their things. So मैंने सोचा कि ये वाली रेंज ट्राई करते. This was very cheap. Oh, it's such a light formula, and I like the color as well. It's pretty, yeah. It's a cute color. So you know, I don't like a lot of pinky से colors. So this is great. And it is drying out matte. I like it, I like it, I like it. So if you're looking for a new range to try, this is great. By the way, now you can see the kind of coverage that this foundation has given me. I told you ना बहुत ही light सी BB cream type है. I look like a joker because मैंने इतने different colors apply कर लिए हैं, but I really like it. And moving ahead to a makeup fixer, this time I have something from Faces. ये मैंने अपनी friend Matlika को try करते हुए देखा था. She really liked it, so I was like, yeah, let's try it. Oh my god! And you get 100 ml of the product. By the way, packaging is so nice. This is their Ultim Pro Makeup Fixer. Keeps makeup intact, hydrates, refreshes, and is non-sticky. Let's see. Let's try it. Actually, मैंने hydrating वाला लिया था and not a mattifying one because winters में you don't need it. I like कि इसमें कोई भी annoying सी smell या fragrance नहीं है और ये मेरे मुंह में जा रहा है. Taste भी बुरा नहीं है. I'll just see you when it all dries up. Okay, I'll be very honest. I like my base more after using this spray because it has blended everything beautifully. Nothing feels sticky and at the same time मुझे ऐसा भी कुछ खिंचा नहीं लग रहा है. You know जो mattifying sprays होते हैं उसके साथ थोड़ा ऐसा dry सा feel होने लगता है, especially in winters for me. This is great. It did a good job. I approve of this. Remember I mentioned about the gloss that was a dupe of Too Faced's lip injection. I have it. It's from My Glam. It's their lip voluminizer. So it comes in like this pen sticky thing and you have to press it from the back ऐसे so that gloss आगे आए. First of all, it's a gloss. तो ये already थोड़ा plump करता है lips को. Because you know, it gives more shine, but it actually plumps your lips as well. मुझे अभी बहुत tingly सा feeling हो रहा है. By the way, इसका tingle is way more noticeable than the lip balm that I showed. Lip balm बहुत ही gentle सा feel होता है. This gives that tingly वाला feeling. But yeah, I am very impressed with this lip gloss. This is one of my favorite finds from Amazon. I love it. Most of the times ये out of stock रहता है, but if you find it, just buy it. It's beautiful and it actually plums my lips. And yeah, with this we've come to the end of this video. Let me know which was your favorite item. Don't forget to make the most of Amazon's wardrobe refresh sale. You get up to 60 to 80% off on your favorite brands. The sale is live from 18th of December. Go ahead and shop your heart out. This would be the perfect time to shop for winter wear clothes. I do have a winter haul coming up very soon. This has actually plumbed my lips. You know, I really like ये color, lilac color with this nude, like this side of my face. ये थोड़ा purpley सा है. I like how I look.